was. So it's a nice sunny day in Perth, middle of autumn. Time has finally come to put some more bricks in. We did the threshold timber yesterday and finished off all the skirtings on the inside, so timber work is done. Now it's a question of laying the bricks up there, down there, letting that settle, and then we'll do the rendering over the top. Alright, there we go. The wall is brick done. Margaretta Fox inside. Megan's mannequin for displaying her stuff, and we finished the threshold timber as well. So, last job on the outside is to finish out with the render. And then these doors will be done. Maybe a coat of paint on the eaves, but that's coming up quite nicely out there too. That's the job today. Alright, so the other thing we've done this weekend is to drop the layer of this down one more brick, trim up the edge so that we've got a nice timber edge for the tiles to sit to, and then we'll lay in some screed, some concrete to bring it up to the tile level, and finish that with the charcoal tiles that we've got around the rest of the house. So yeah, happy days, more progress. Do a render finish up the back of the fireplace to finish that off, or replace these limestone tiles down to the level of the other tiles. And maybe, just maybe, we'll finish that back to Jarrah as well. And then this room should be finished as well.